Hi all. In our earlier SQL Server sequence part 1 video, we have gone through the sequence syntax, introduction, identity property, and difference between sequence and identity, how identity and sequence comes into the picture, those things, and other syntax is select next value for, how we can use next value for using over class, and multiple calls to the next value for in a single select statement by using over class, and again multiple calls to the next value for in a single select using over and order by classes. Now in this video we will see some sample examples on sequence. So this is the example I have taken. I will execute this example in SQL Server. Here I am creating a sequence with the name test and taking the data type as integer, and the sequence starting value is 1 for this, and again increment property I set as 1. I mean for each and every sequence it increments the value to 1, and the mean and maximum value are 1 and 99. Here I am taking the property as no cycle, means once the maximum value reaches, the sequence will throw an error. It will not start from the beginning, nothing but mean value. Now we'll execute this sequence statement. If you see here, the first this statement will return one value, and again I am looping this statement to 99, means 99 times the sequence will be executed, and sequence reaches its maximum value as 99. And next if I execute this select statement, it will return an error because the sequence I specified is only for 99. Now I am creating a sequence is created successfully. Now I will execute the sequence to 99 times. So the Go will iteratively execute the select statement next value for. Here it reaches to its maximum value 99. Now I am executing the another select statement, that is next value for test, incrementing the sequence. It will return an error that the sequence object test has reached its minimum or maximum value. So if we restart the sequence, then only it will populate the value. Otherwise we can't execute the sequence no more, because we specify the property as no cycle and it reaches its maximum value. So this is what I telling here. So whatever the error that we got here, the sequence reaches its maximum value. We can restart the sequence. Here this is restarting sequence syntax. It is a simple straightforward alter statement, alter sequence with the sequence name and restart with the appropriate value. Here this with option lets us assign the new starting value. If you do not give a specific value, the default is its original starting value. In our example, whatever the starting value that we gave 1, that will be taken. This one. So here I am taking this alter statement. Here this will return the 3, means because we are starting sequence from the 3, most of the situations where we want to restart the sequence can be done with the cycle option. And if we use the order by class, we can build some groupings. Now we'll execute it. Alter again, I am restarting the sequence from 3. So if I execute this query, it will return 3 value. If I execute it again 4, like this. This is alter statement initiating the sequence again. And now I am creating a sequence with a cycle. So here again I am creating a sequence, 10 sequence. The minimum value is 1, maximum value is 10. The cycle is, the property is set to true, means we can create, if we execute this 99, still it will return 99 sequence values without giving an error, means the property is cycle, it will give return values, repeated values. After 9, again it will start from 1, so after 10, like this. After 10, again is starting from 1. This is with cycle property. We can see some sample example with sequence here. Suppose let's assume we have a student table where we have student ID and name. If we take the next value, sequence syntax, based on the student ID order, we can break down the students into some small chunks. See here, if you have a student table, we'll see, do we have any student table in our adventures database? No, we do not have any table. Let's assume this example. If you have student table with student ID and student name, with our 10 sequence that we created earlier, it will divide the students into some chunks, like whatever the sequence mean and max value that we have given, means for first 10 students it will give the 1 to 10 series, means here we have taken the overclass with order by student ID. Whatever the order by student ID that we are taking, for the first 10 students the sequence would be 1 to 10, and another next student the sequence would be 1 to 10. Here I am taking another example to display 4-digit number. It's a kind of some other invoice number or any other number. It's a simple straightforward example. This is I am taking with our sequence test. Here this is the 4-digit number that I am appending at right side, and I am casting this value. The next value of text would be the max of 5 characters, and I am taking always right side 4 characters. Here this 4, I am appending these 4 with this our next value, cast value, varchar. We will execute this. It is returning 05. If I execute it again, it will return 06, 07, 08. So it's kind of some predefined sequence with a given template. That's it. Thank you.